These lovely ladies are coming with me to Value Village. Our objective? Fabric for some gorgeous spaghetti dream frocks. At this point, I was a couple months pregnant, and you'll see the progression through this video. And I wanted to do some fun projects with friends before the little one came. But also I just wanted some beautiful models for my best-selling pattern, so it was a win-win situation.
Okay, so we are going to Fabricland because there ain't anything here.
So we headed to Fabricland. I took a bunch of photos to help Michaela and Femi see how the fabric looked on them, and in the end we got a lovely blue cotton for Michaela and for Femi a gorgeous yellow embroidered cotton. Now Michaela and Femi are beginner sewers. They've sewn a few simple projects before, so I was really focused on rehashing the basics and also just having a lot of fun. This is my friend Michaela, and today we're gonna make a dream frock. So I've already adjusted the pattern for her. She's going to iron out the fabric because you always have to iron your fabric, and then I'm going to cut out the pattern that I printed off for her. So let's get started. So the way that you iron, this is the selvage, and that means it's the grain, so you want to always iron parallel to that. A good iron has a lot of holes.
Oh wow.
I actually barely ever iron.
Oh, okay. I mean, this day and age, we don't really have a lot of...
Yeah, I mean, none of Luke's shirts really need ironing.
Okay, so Michaela wants a half circle skirt. The Spaghetti Dream Frock pattern comes with a quarter circle skirt for more like A-line. So this is the stitch line, the ½ inch from the edge. So I just cut from the bottom up to that edge. And then I cut down, leaving like a tiny hinge of paper so that we can spread it, and then the seam line, the waistline, stays exactly the same.
Oh, that's so good. Yeah, my friend has like...
Teamwork.
Yes, I gotta look like I'm doing something here.
When I was sewing with Sam, it was really good because there's a lot of gathering on that dress.
Oh yeah.
And so she, like, what she did was really helpful. So she gathered.
Does Sam sew?
No,
No,
actually.
not
I don't
really.
think she sews at all. But if you tell someone exactly how to do something, they can do it.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, it's gonna look so pretty. So when I cut, I always start with the biggest pieces.
Okay.
Usually it's good to like look at the cut layout from the pattern, especially if you don't really know. But
What do you mean the cut layout?
yeah, like the pattern comes with a picture of the fabric folded, and then it like shows where to place each piece so that it fits in the amount that I told you to buy. Yeah. But another trick is just to like make sure you start with the largest pieces, and then
You kind of fit in.
yeah, you fit in the little pieces. So you just have to make sure that it's like
Oh, wait. So this is like a double piece.
yeah.
Oh, is that what you were?
I was like, I just feel like that's a little small. So this is, you're gonna have to put the tiniest piece on. So when you cut, it's always easiest to use the back side of the scissors because it just like goes right up against your paper. The other way, you can do it. It's fine. It's just easier to cut the pattern.
How come you use these scissors for cutting? These are fabric cutters?
Yeah.
And those are just like regular cutters?
Never cross them. So I'm matching the stitch line.
Right.
Okay. So this
Yeah,
is
and you
done.
would never know with this, like...
Yeah.
This is going really fast. I feel like this will take me, like, years.
Yeah. So see this one right here? The line, this guideline? That's what you want to line it up with. Slowly but surely. Now you can press that button and it will cut it. Yes. sewing side by side.
I know. I need a picture of this.
And then as you sew, just make sure that these are like, stop every once in a while, make sure they're together. Day 1 of sewing with Michaela is done. She did an incredible job. Round of applause, everybody. We had a lot of fun today. Hello everyone, this is my friend Femi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna make the most gorgeous dress for her. I need to redo this. I have a few things lined up for Femi to do, but we're gonna get cracking on this dress. So I'm gonna get you to gather this. Very easy. I've already sewn this part. Have you ever gathered before?
No.
What things have you sewn before?
Just normal stuff. I think I
Like
should
a pillowcase.
Yeah, yeah.
Dresses.
Dresses.
Aprons.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have some.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
I'm expecting great things. Like
Okay. Okay.
You're just gonna feed it through. Once you get it through, then you're gonna kind of twist this and pull it.
Yeah.
Try not to pull it like beyond. Where are you putting that?
Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
Wait, no, not that one.
No.
Sorry, I didn't explain.
Okay.
See these narrower ones?
Yeah.
That's where it's gonna
Okay.
go. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm always telling people like, get married so that I can go to your weddings and wear nice dresses. Like Josiah, come on already.
yeah.
This you chose the right fabric. It's
It's
so dreamy.
Well, I liked. Michaela showed me hers too. It looks so nice in the dress. Yeah.
Yeah.
The cutout was really pretty too.
What did she show you? Oh, the picture.
Yeah, the
yeah.
picture. Yeah.
Yeah, the blue's really nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
See what you've done because
What?
you were talking to me. Now I have missed my.
Oh.
Leave me alone.
I can't help that I'm home alone all the time, Benny.
But does it not get boring for you? You like to talk. You like to chat with people. But all by yourself.
I'm not always super shy. Actually,
Oh.
no. When I'm with like people that I'm comfortable with,
Oh,
then,
okay.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
The line for the half-inch mark.
After this, you still get it wrong, then you're fired.
Yes, exactly. You will be fired. Just keep it in line with that blue line, and you're good to go. That's all you need to look at. Keeping it in line with the blue line. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Very good.
Not before, you would take it back yourself. And there's no whining again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I can do that, but there's a down up button for that. Like,
Wow.
I know.
And
Actually,
the cutting. Oh my God.
I know the cutting is like, you're like being spoiled,
Yeah.
basically. She got all the elastic in, so now I have to sew it up.
My mom used to have like a sewing machine, yeah. So I would just cut up stuff and sew something for you.
Aww.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. There's just some basic things you should know how to do as a lady. Like
Appreciate
making hair,
it.
sewing clothes, yeah. It's Deji. Say, how is it going, my YouTube stuff?
Oh yeah, he watches it a lot. Why not?
He's jealous I'm making it before you. So, this way, right?
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah.
So, I did cut it, so
Perfect.
check, is it?
Oh, we just forgot the end, the bottom.
Oh, I'm supposed
Do you wanna do that?
Yeah. Don't do my
It'll
job.
be easier from this
Yeah.
way, and you just hold it and
Yeah.
pull it.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't take your job away from you.
Don't do my job.
Goodness.
We've been working so hard. I've been cracking the whip on Vemi. Like we decided to make a whole other dress for her dog. I have to say it quietly because it's in the next room. Anyway, bye! Michaela is back. And we're gonna finish this dress, or at least get as far as we can. Oh, and you're wearing blue. How perfect. You guys are both wearing blue. Done. How does that feel?
It's great. So you have to gather until the two sides match.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's kind of cool.
Wow, that was quick. Michaela is just top stitching like a pro. Well, understitching now. The pockets need to line up with the notches here, so there's a notch. I have embarrassed myself and sewers everywhere by sewing the strap into the top stitch. Oh! I'm gonna move up the stitch seam allowance. I feel like you've improved since last time.
I think so.
It's amazing what time can do. I feel like there's something to like time, like solidifying
It
a
is
skill.
so true. I've actually even noticed that with Jace, because I came back to some things we were learning like way back when. And I thinking he would have forgotten everything, and no. Like it was as if time had just percolated that into his head.
Wow.
It was weird.
Look at this princess. Wow. Okay, so it is fitting. When you see her next, you will see the final gorgeousness. Look at this.